Yes, guys, I just getting to the radiator by myself. Let's see it getting inside. At this food, bro. Wow, food? What the hell? I'm starving. Oh, wait. Where is the other food? I is there a food? Okay, guys. I got a rope gun. Oh. At least I got a rope gun. I have seafood. Nothing. But I just